this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your Fire HD10 tablet. So if you're going to be playing games on here, you can definitely use a PS5 controller. It works well if you're going to be playing like Roblox or something like that. Swipe down from the top right and go to Bluetooth and just hold down on this. Then go to Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, and go to pair new Bluetooth device. Go to your controller and make sure it's turned off. So if it's turned on, hold down the PlayStation button. For like 5 to 10 seconds, it'll turn it off. Then hold down the share button, the PlayStation button at the same time. We'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And then here's the controller. All we have to do is tap it. And then it should pair. There's an option to pair right here. So we can just pair it. And now it's connected. And you're going to know it's connected because the light on the controller is going to be a solid blue light. So we should be good to go to start playing, and we can use the controller now to take control of the tablet and move things around. So if you want to play Roblox, Minecraft, or something like that, you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.